Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2022 Scout 305 LXF. This is a redesign from the 300 LXF. I'll point out some of the features that they switched that make this an incredible boat, whether you're just hanging out with family or if you're taking it out with your friends fishing. Obviously this has the black hull, goes great with the new Midnight Edition where they black out the rails and some of the other accents on the boat. Just looks amazing. You can see the lighting, just really an incredible boat. Scout does an amazing job with their design, their build, their quality, really second to none when it comes to what they do and what they put on their boats. This boat is equipped with twin 300 Mercury Verados. It also has the joystick piloting option, which makes it very easy for the captain to maneuver the boat at slow speeds in and around the dock, whether you're waiting to go up to a restaurant or you just need to tie some lines. It really makes it easy for the captain to operate this vessel. As we head aboard, up on board here, you can see on the transom on the boat swim platform, I can walk around these engines very easily. They give you some space here to walk around, whatever you need to do. If you're fighting the fish or if you're tying up lines, anything like that, you can do that easily. Very nice molded in seat here in the back. You can see it's got the nice covers on the side, bolsters on the side, very comfortable. You're kind of just locked in right there. Very nice place to sit. Nice setup here on the back of the helm station. You do a freshwater sink. You have a cooler that can go down below. You get fish boxes on either side. Live well underneath the seat there, very well pointed. Nice use of space. And you also have a cutting board and some tackle storage over here, or storage for whatever you're using. You do have a dive/tuna door on this side. Whether you're jumping in and off the boat with some family and friends and your kids, or if you're pulling a fish in for the day. Again, I'll point out, you got the black railing all around. Obviously, rocket launchers up top. You got them more on the top of the console here. And then as we head up to the helm station, very well pointed, very easy for the captain. Again, I'll point out that joystick right here. It's got the skyhook feature, just easy to maneuver the boat. You can spin this boat, you can walk it sideways. Again, it's got that, with that skyhook, you can, if you're waiting for a restaurant or something like that, you can just hit that and it's going to keep you in place. Just makes it simple and easy for the captain to use the boat. This one does have twin screens. You can see how all the switches and everything are all pointed out. You also have some redundancy where you have them in the screens there, and you got your Garmin VHF up top. Continuing around this side, you can take a peek down underneath there. You do have a little bit of a berth area. Also, you have your head, some of your switches, gauges, your engine controls, all that kind of stuff. Very nice spacious area for a 30-foot boat. Continuing up to the bow of the boat, this is probably, there's really not many that do it on this on a 30-foot boat. You got a great seating area right here, nice lounge area. Just a very comfortable spot to sit. And then you also have nice storage underneath here where your table, you can have your table right here as well, set that up front. So if you're out and you wanted to have lunch, some snacks with the kids, or cooking up that fresh catch of the day, you can enjoy that by setting that table up there. Again, nice appointment with the lighting. You got your JL speakers right there, great sound system on this boat, and then your windlass controls with some extra cup holders and rod holders again. So thank you for taking that walkthrough with me with this brand new 2022 Scout 305 LXF. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a showing, you can give us a shout at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.